Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making a present centerpiece. This is so colorful. This is something that the kids just love to look at. It's really easy to make, and although it's a little time consuming, it's something that you can change up to go with any decor in your home. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Well, I took all the matches out of the match boxes and I cut some paper, and this paper fits around this way, but it's longer this way. And the reason that I do this is so that nothing is showing on the other side. And all I do is wrapping it like a present, but we're not making the sides look pretty. I'm going to catch this with the tape to hold it down. Now that side looks nice. This side has all the workings. And I'm going to keep wrapping boxes until I get enough for what I need. And you can see I've been collecting boxes for a while. These are some of those little gift boxes that you can find at the craft stores, and these are candy boxes and the match boxes, and I even have some small jewelry boxes. So I'll be back when I'm done wrapping. I've been wrapping these little boxes until I feel totally exhausted, but I'm going to move on to the next step. If you don't have small boxes, you can always cut pieces of styrofoam and wrap that. It'll work. Okay, to do the base of this, I'm going to be using one of these 10-inch cake circles and some of the filler paper that I just got at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to tape this around because Mod Podge doesn't really stick to this foil. So I'll be back when I've got that pretty much going, but I'm going to be using double stick tape for some of it and regular tape. Okay, I have the little cake ground covered with double stick tape, and now gently and slowly I'm going to try and cover it. And I know a lot of times this won't work, but as long as it's covered so that you don't see the white, it's all you need, because the presents are going to be covering the rest of it. I'm going to play with this a little bit until I get it a little smoother, and I'll be back. Okay, I got it a little smoother. Now I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to cut around the board, but I'm going to leave plenty of excess. Now I'm going to give it some slits. All the way around. And what I'll be doing is taping this to the back. And I'll be back and show you what I'm doing here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring one up and tape it. And then I'm going to go to the next one, leaving one down. And I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to bring the one that's in the middle up and tape this. And I'm going to do this all the way around. And this covers the sides of the cake round. And we'll be back. I thought I had an 8-inch cake round. I don't. So what I'm going to do is put another 10-inch on the back. I'm just going to use hot glue to attach them. And this is just to cover up all this tape. The 8-inch would have been much better, but this will work. Okay, now I'm going to put a candle in the center so that I can judge where I want the little gifts to go. Centering the candle was easy. It's I just made sure it was the same all the way around. In this case it was 3.5 inches. So I decided where I wanted the big boxes first. And I'm going to put a little glue on the back side. And I'm going to put these as evenly as I can around the candle. But I'm going to keep them closer to the edge so that there's room for the candle to go up and down easily. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, now I got all the presents glued down. I'm going to start adding the little match boxes that I covered. And I just have to decide where I want what. I'm just getting enough glue on the bottom to hold it into place, and a little bit on the sides here so that it touches the boxes and holds. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, I've got the boxes in between the boxes. Don't know if I need these or not. Now I'm going to get the little ones that I covered with that were milk duds. And I'm going to tuck these behind the ones that are standing up. And I'm just going to glue those into place. And I keep trying to mix up the colors. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, now that I have all of those in place, I'm going to take some of these little ornaments and I'm just going to glue them right on top. You certainly don't have to follow my colors or my pattern. Whatever shapes and sizes you have, you just want to stack them up so it looks like a gigantic pile of presents. Okay, now to get out some of this stuff from my haul. Oh, the little drum ornaments came with these hangers on them, so I'm just cutting those off. And I'm getting out the bows, and I'm going to be placing them in and around too. And all I'm going to do is just add a little hot glue to the bottom and fit these in where I think they need them. Definitely between this, just to break it up. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, I got all the drums on the tops. And I'm looking down here and I'm thinking, it needs a little something. So I'm going to take some of these Matchbox boxes and fit them in between. And this that's on here is just washi tape. You can decorate your little boxes any way you want. I just used stuff that I had on hand. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, now I'm going to add the bows. And I know these are peel and stick, but most of the time that won't hold. Okay, I put the little bows on top of the little tiny presents. And, oh, that's hot. And I'm just going to put bows in front of these presents that are facing outwards. Okay, I put all the bows on the outside of these, and I had some left over, so I just decided to put them in front of the drums. I wish I had some little ornaments that I could stick in here, or little miniature toys. I really should look for that and see, but I don't think I do. Okay, and all this needs is a nice candle in the center. And this is about done. Okay, I decided to use the candle that I made in my last video in the center of this. You can completely change the look by whatever color candle you put in there, or whatever color you put on your packages. Have fun with this. Make it your own. And if you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.